Good morning, everybody. It's a great pleasure to be here this morning at the Sunshine School. And of course, we've got people visiting from other homes and other schools. I'd like to thank you very much for having me here this morning. It's really an honor for me to be here, and I'd like to thank the committee for the invitation. I don't want to make a long speech. As you know, with Eid celebrations, those of you know about Eid, it's all about having fun, having a good time, eating lots of food, and meeting up with people, talking to your friends, your relatives, your neighbors, inviting your friends, people you may be working with, people you may have gone to school with, or people you're still going to school with. All I'd like to say to you this morning is that, as I mentioned, that Eid is all about celebration. It's about celebrating the fact that, as was mentioned earlier on, when you've been fasting for 1 month, you know, they say fasting is good for you because you have an empty stomach, but you try and fill your soul with a lot of spirit, gain a lot of spirituality. And it's sometimes when you are hungry and when you are thirsty, that's when you start thinking about the more very basic things in life. Otherwise, we take everything for granted. It also is a time for us to remember those of us in society, or those people in society who may not have much as we have. There are many poor people in Fiji. There are many poor people throughout the world. There are people who may not be eating 3 meals a day, people who may not have access to water, people who may not be able to move around as much as we can, not have the level of ability. And this is a time to remember about them. This is about a time to thank God for what we are, what we have, and to be always appreciative that there is always somebody who may not be in the same position, in the same better position as you are. So I always have a very special admiration for the teachers and parents who are able to contribute to such schools, and I think it's a time to recognize them here this morning. I think we should all put our hands together for the head teacher, the committee, and all the other schools, all the teachers who are here, and of course the parents who are here to always assist their children. I'd like to leave one message with you, and that is to say that the Fiji First government is very much concerned about all Fijians. We don't discriminate. We don't care where you come from in Fiji, what ethnic background you are, what religious background you are, what level of physical ability or mental ability you have. Everybody must be treated the same. Everybody is equal. Everybody is a citizen of Fiji. Everybody is a Fijian. And this is why our government is very much keen to attend such functions, keen to participate with everybody, keen to ensure that we get services out to all Fijians living anywhere in Fiji. So that's the message I'd like to leave with you. I'd like to thank all of you for being here this morning, and I look forward to meeting as many of you as possible. Naka, thank you.